Hey everyone, welcome to Homestead and Hustle. We're in the garden today. We're going to be planting cucumbers in the planter boxes that David made. Okay, I'm going to transplant this cucumber plant, hoping that it does okay. It was really small, but it's grown really fast. But I want to plant it over here in our new planter box that David made. I think it'll do better over there, and then I'll plant something else here. So I'm going to move it, and hopefully I don't hurt it in any way. Got it in before it starts to rain. It's about to rain. But I'm excited about seeing this go up this trellis that David made out of pallets. I think it's gonna be nice. Do you like it? Do you like it, Miss Pearl? You got dirt all over you. Whew, it's hot. Okay, I think it's time to pick some banana peppers. They're getting kind of big and I need to pick them, and I think we're gonna make some banana pepper poppers for tonight. It's starting to rain, so it's time to probably wrap it up and go in and relax, get cleaned up and relax. Okay, we decided to call it a day. It started raining outside, so we're gonna make some banana pepper poppers. You saw me get those out of the garden, so I'm gonna get some cream cheese and some Cajun spice, and we're gonna make some banana pepper poppers. It's very simple. You can either bake them, grill them, smoke them. We've done them all ways until the bacon's done. And I'm just going to quickly show you how we do it, and it's just very simple. So you just need cream cheese and some Cajun spice if you want the Cajun spice. You know, we like a little spicy. But if you don't like the banana or the jalapeno poppers because they're a little too spicy, try the banana pepper poppers. It's really good. Banana pepper poppers. Try to say that 3 times fast. Like I said, you can bake these, you can smoke them, you can grill them. It's whatever's most convenient. Usually we smoke them. Not today. We're gonna bake them. be delicious. Okay, these are done, and of course we are in Texas, so we are going to add our Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce to these. If you've never tried barbecue sauce on your poppers, no matter what kind you do, whether it be jalapeno or the banana pepper poppers, you're missing out because it's really good. Well, there you have it, banana pepper poppers, and they are covered with the barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, which we love. And of course we're Texans, so we love barbecue sauce and everything. And now we're gonna sit back and watch our favorite movie. We watched the Poldark. We're addicted to Poldark from the Masterpiece Theater, and we're going to enjoy these. So thank you for joining us today, and we will see you next time, and God bless. Bye.